Welcome, my dear stock traders. This lesson about how you can download ThinkOrSwim trading platform without 20-minute delay. I recorded that special lesson and I will show it to you. That would be useful if you are not from the United States or Canada, from North America. Because, as you know, if you are from other pieces of the world, you cannot download ThinkOrSwim. That's why, let's go and let's learn it. My friends, as I told you, take a look on this ThinkOrSwim and take a look on market data. As you can see, it's all this data is real time, and when you will trade, analyze your stocks, you will be able to do it at any time. As you can see, at this moment we have pre-market, and I think you can see example here. Take a look. It is a Tesla stock and current price 774. Open Apple. As you can see, Apple here and Apple here. What another? You can open, as you can see, Spider, Google. We can open different currency. We can open different stock currency. As you can see, also here you can analyze futures on, for example, like Euro USD, something like that. That's why, friends, once more, about this ThinkOrSwim platform, where you can buy it. It is a service of my friend, and you can buy it here on this website, thetrader.top. Here is all feedbacks from real people. You can read about this platform, and also my friend, he provide this service first month. You can take it for free and just to test it without any payment, and you will see how to use it. That's why, once more, this website, thetrader.top, and you can write it. I recommend you, when you will open this website, just write in here to them and ask about support, and that's all. That's all, friends. Also, here about price you will discuss with them. They will help you with all the points. That's all. Below here there would be, as you can see, button. It so says that this button on Russian. They will translate it into English, and you will see all the information. That's why, once more, here you can buy and download ThinkOrSwim without any delay. And friends, the price is really so cheap. If you will take a look on the price, I pay for trading you even more. Thank you for your time. Have a good day. Bye.